In connection with job interviews, people hear the phrase, sell yourself all the time. But it's a very abstract term. How do you sell yourself? How do you get information across the table that gets the employer's head nodding and gets them to see you as somebody that they can put into this position? And we try to make that as concrete as possible. We say you must identify the employer's needs. What are they looking for in the successful person? What is the profile of this successful person? What skills will they have? What can they do? What characteristics will they have? What will their attitude be like? The employer has a very specific set of needs that you need to first of all understand before you can go about selling yourself into that position. So spend some time writing down exactly what the employer is looking for. You'll get this information from the job spec, from an advertisement they have placed in the media, or from their website, or from talking to people who currently or previously worked in the company. So spend some time understanding the employer's needs. Secondly, see what you have done in your career to date that meets the employer's needs. What have you achieved? What have you aspired to do? What have you completed? What have you shown throughout your career to date that exactly meets the needs as you have previously identified on the employer's part? And when you get those two areas right, the employer's needs and your skills, and go into the interview and talk about those two areas over and over again, you're in what we call the sweet spot. This is exactly where you need to be if you're going to impress upon the employer that you have the skills that he or she is looking for. To help you with this, we have a form called our Key Issues form. This will allow you to identify exactly what the employer is looking for. We'll show you how to identify the skills you have that will meet the employer's needs, and will help you gain an overall appreciation of what you need to be doing in the job interview so that you can sell yourself and make that phrase, sell yourself, into something concrete. Not something abstract you can't get a handle on, but something real that you can plan to do before the job interview. To get our forms in this area, email getthatjob@sleenuacareers.com. At sleenuacareers.com, we provide interview training that will help you get that job. Visit sleenuacareers.com or telephone us on 094 95 429 65. I'm Liam Horan from sleenuacareers.com.